Welcome to Tech Tips for the Pros, where we turn everyday challenges into pro-level solutions. I'm Mark. We're coming to you from our Altoona Training Center at APR Supply. Today we're going to talk about dissipation. So I'm sure you're all aware we're moving to new refrigerants, low GWP refrigerants, in this case 454B, R454B. So this coil, this is from Heil, from ICP. So this is the coil that's designed for a 454B system. It would be designed to sit on top of a furnace. As coils go, same thing that you're used to. What is different is it comes with the dissipation board. So dissipation is a way that we're going to dilute that refrigerant. If there happens to be a leak, we're going to dilute that. This board is going to be mounted somewhere. It can be mounted onto the coil. It has to be mounted within 4 feet of the furnace, has to be away from any possible water, and it must be in this upright position because any moisture would then drip out the bottom. I'm going to open up this coil now to show you the sensor and how that will be connected to the system. Move the front cover from this coil so that we can see here is the actual leak detector. So what you're going to do, you don't have to remove the front cover to do this if this is going to be in an upright position. If you're going to use this in a horizontal left or right position, you're going to have to move the detector to its new location, which we'll just say is at the bottom of the coil. Then inside here, this cable from the detector is going to come out, and you can fish that through here at the liquid line. It's made to fish that through, and you'll want to put it through the rubber, but for this we'll just show you. You're going to pull it out through, and this goes to the dissipation board. It'll plug in right here at the top of the dissipation board. Now you'll mount the board. The board has to be where you can see the LEDs. There are LEDs on here. It has a test button. What the board is going to do in conjunction with the sensor, it's going to sense if there happens to be a leak. If there would be a leak in this coil, if the R454B would build up around the sensor, it's going to turn on the fan, the furnace fan, to dissipate that refrigerant leak, and it's really dissipating it into the house. The point here is that you have to follow the instructions on the outdoor unit based on how many pounds of refrigerant in the system, and that you have enough area in the house to dissipate that leak. As far as installation goes, you can see it came factory with this harness plugged in. What you'll do is take the other end of this wire and fish this into the furnace, and from here you can tell that you'll have a G wire that goes to the thermostat and a G wire that goes to the furnace. You'll have the red, which will power this system. So this dissipation board's whole job is to monitor for leaks and then to turn on the blower. It will turn off the furnace, but it is not manually reset. You should not have a no heat, because if it finds a leak, it's going to turn on the fan, and then once it has dissipated that leak, it would turn the furnace back on. You may find your homeowner calling to say the fan's running a lot. Look for the possibilities of a leak. These are easily you can easily troubleshoot them with just a meter. It doesn't take any special tools. And if you need help, you can give us a call at the APR Supply Tech number. Thank you. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Tips for the Pros. If you have ideas for additional content, please put that in the comments section and hit that subscribe button and your like button for more videos.